So today, with our pasta dough that we made earlier, we are going to be making Pilmerny. Okay, and this is what we do. And to make the filling, what we're going to use today is a mixture of pork and chicken, some salt, pepper, a couple of spices that we like, which you can use whichever spices you like, and we're going to use half an onion. So just to speed things up, we'll go on to fast and zap it through.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so once we've got our meat mixed, which is, as I say, we've used pork, chicken, onion, some spice, salt and pepper. You can use any filling you want. We are going to get our pasta dough and we are going to roll it out. And we're going to roll it out really thin. Very, very, very thin. We are then going to cut small circles. And Sophia here is going to use a teaspoon. And she's going to put a teaspoon inside the circle. And then we're going to fold it and wrap it round into Pilmerny.
Of course.
And this is how we do it. So, these are our Pilmerny that we made with our pasta dough and our meat filling. These we're going to put in the freezer because these can be frozen and you can bring them out whenever you want. And to cook them, you can either boil them or you can fry them. Shallow fry them with a little bit of oil, or you can boil them. And how nice are they?
Very nice.
Very nice. Your favourite?
Yes.
Fabulous.
My favourite chipureki.
Well, this is